I think we are really fortunate in the sense that we are able to visit that this morning. We also would like to thank Kayumbu Resort for their generous assistance in terms of the transportation for the plane that has enabled the team from Suva and Lambasa to come over to that and to witness for ourselves the massive destruction sustained by the village by Cyclone TC Winston. Here we've seen there's a lot of destruction in terms of the houses. There's a total of 34 houses altogether completely destroyed, 16 partly damaged. And the structures at the school we came with the Ministry of Education officials, and we've seen that the school is also badly damaged. So straight away after seeing for ourselves the impact here on the ground, we have relayed the message to our national EOC in Suva, seeking for urgent assistance in terms of accommodation, temporary accommodation, just to come and help house the people, the 34 households who had their houses been completely damaged in terms of the tents or tarpaulins, just to come and have a cover roof for them to be able to continue with their life. We also have requested for some ration. If you see by yourself the devastating effects of the cyclone, not only to the structures here, the village, the houses, it's also a huge impact on their food, the root crops. There's none left at all. We don't have any more seen any signs of root crops on the island. According to the Turangani Koro, they had a lot of fruit crops matured, ready for harvest, but it's all been destroyed. So that is also part of the assistance that we will be trying our best to render to the village. Some tents for temporary measures and tarpaulins, and also food rations. We also seek the assistance in terms of clothing and blankets and all those stuff that can assist the people here in that.
I believe a chopper has been arranged to get in.
Yes, I think that's the only means of getting this over in that by chopper. I've relayed the message to our national EOC, and we hope to see the assistance coming over in the next few hours, if not today or maybe tomorrow morning.